We will start with completely removing the glove box. First, remove these two screws. Once these are removed, open the glove box. Remove these 4 screws. Once these are removed, you can now completely remove the glove box. This is the module with the 2 connectors that we will need to connect our T-harness to. Push the tabs on the connectors to remove them. For the brown one, a pick tool will help. The black one, you could just push the tab with your fingers. Make sure the connectors fully connect and you hear that click.